Hello, it's Stephen from Markertek, and this is the powerCON TRUE1, Neutrek's locking AC power connector built for the real demands of pro production. With conductors for line, neutral, and pre-mating ground, it's engineered for safety and stability in every connection. Standard appliance plugs, they wiggle loose. This locks in. You don't need to worry about anything falling out of place with its secure locking mechanism. Designed for live events, video walls, lighting rigs, and touring systems, the TRUE1 gives you a secure, rugged connection you can rely on. When your show depends on power, this is the connector you trust. You'll find TRUE1 connectors powering everything from LED panels and lighting rigs to Contric power distros in demanding live production environments. TRUE1 connectors feature breaking capacity, which means they can be connected or disconnected under load, even live, making setup and teardown safer and more efficient in the field. The TRUE1 series integrates Neutrek's TOP, True Outdoor Protection, a design built to handle the demands of professional outdoor environments with IP65 and IP67 ratings. When connected or capped, TRUE1 connectors block out dust, water, and debris, ensuring reliable performance in any weather. TRUE1 connectors are extremely robust and reliable, rated for over 5,000 mating cycles, and require tools like Neutrek's HTLACB and HTLACA, or suitable alternatives, for proper disassembly. Now that we've covered what makes the powerCON TRUE1 so essential, let's take a look at how it comes together in the field. Our friend Curtis will be showing us how the TRUE1 powerCON connector cable is built. Right now, he is opening the terminal screws for an easy assembly later. You will also want to disassemble the housing, bushing, and chuck from the connector if not already done so. Once the power cable is prepared and cut to the desired length, you will want to add the dust cap if you're using one, and the chuck and bushing. Then you will strip the outer jacket to expose the conductors. Trim insulation on live, neutral, and ground wires to the recommended length. Insert each conductor into the correct terminal. Live, black; neutral, white; ground, green. Tighten the screws with a specified Torex driver, T8, to the proper torque. Slide the chuck up from the connector insert, aligning the keyway properly. Push both into the housing until it locks. Slide the bushing up and tighten with the proper tool. Visually inspect alignment and that no copper strands are exposed. Remember, do not bend or stress the connector once assembled. Finally, repeat these same steps for the other end of the cable if you are building a full powerCON to powerCON assembly. As simple as that. Thanks for watching and checking out the powerCON TRUE1 with us. Neutrek's focus on innovation and durability means their connectors perform reliably in the toughest environments and toughest jobs. Want to see more? Head to Markertek.com to explore the full lineup of Neutrek products. Markertek, America's broadcast supply house.